Best magnetic screen, fresh air and bug-free living. Just attach the screen to your existing door frame. The magnetic seal ensures it closes automatically behind you. Many designs are available to match your home decor. Enjoy fresh air without the hassle of insects. Perfect for summer or any time. List number 1. Mesh Deluxe Black Magnetic Screen Door. Experience the convenience of the Magic Mesh Deluxe Magnetic Screen Door. This durable screen ensures easy access with a reliable magnetic closure. Keep bugs out while letting fresh air in through this sturdy, heavy-duty screen. Perfectly sized for most doorways at 39x83. Safe for kids and pets, it makes outdoor spaces enjoyable. Ideal for patios, sliding doors, and more. Advantages. Keeps bugs out, lets fresh air in. Easy magnetic closure ensures hands-free use. Durable material withstands heavy traffic. Kid and pet friendly for family homes. Perfect fit for sliding and patio doors. List number 2. Magnetic Screen Door. Enhance your home's comfort with the Cherami Magnetic Screen Door. This door screen keeps bugs out while letting fresh air in. Made with reinforced fiberglass mesh, it's durable and reliable. Magnets ensure a tight seal, closing the door smoothly. Ideal for front patios and sliding doors, adding modern style. Easy installation with a full-frame hook loop design. Advantages. Enjoy a bug-free home with the Cherami Magnetic Screen Door. The door keeps insects out while letting fresh air in. Easy installation makes setup quick and hassle-free. Attach it to your door without any tools. Strong magnets ensure a secure closure every time. The magnets close instantly, preventing entry of pests. Durable fiberglass mesh withstands daily use. This material lasts longer than traditional screens. List number 3 for Magnetic Screen Door 48x80. Experience fresh air with the UFOR Magnetic Screen Door. Easy to install and fits doors 48x80 inches. Its heavy-duty mesh keeps bugs out while letting light in. Magnets ensure a tight seal, making it perfect for sliding doors. Enjoy hands-free operation with easy pass-through. A practical solution for any home. Advantages. Fresh air flows freely with the magnetic screen door. Bugs stay out. Easy installation saves time and effort. No tools needed. Hands-free entry is convenient for families and pet owners. Durable mesh ensures long-lasting use. Resists wear and tear. Sleek design complements any home decor. Enhances entryway aesthetics. List number 4. WiseWorks Magnetic Hands-Free Mesh. Keep bugs out while letting fresh air in with the WiseWorks Magnetic Hands-Free Mesh Screen Door. The heavy-duty curtain measures 83 by 39 inches, perfect for most home doors. Its hands-free magnetic seal closes effortlessly, ensuring an easy, hassle-free experience. Enjoy a pest-free environment with this durable, white mosquito net. Advantages. Enjoy fresh air without pesky bugs entering your home. The magnetic seal keeps insects out. Easy installation makes it convenient for any door frame. No tools required. Automatic closing feature allows hands-free entry and exit. Perfect for busy households. List number 5. The mesh screen has 20 magnets. Experience the ease of a bug-free home with the Magna Mesh Screen, featuring 20 powerful magnets. Seamlessly attach and detach the screen for effortless access, while keeping pesky insects out. Enjoy fresh air circulation without compromising on security or convenience. Perfect for doors of all sizes, this screen ensures a snug fit and reliable performance. Enhance your living space with simplicity and efficiency, making every day a breeze. Advantages. Enhanced stability with 20 strong magnets keeps the screen securely in place. Easy installation without tools, magnets provide quick setup.